Every company has its own unique voice. Your clients hear and see that voice in all your marketing materials, your website, brochures, products, and catalogs. Two Shell Design helps companies develop their voice with creative, cost-effective graphic design that integrates marketing strategies in both print and web. To accomplish this goal, we build a creative energy with our clients. This synergistic approach allows us and our clients to focus on conveying a clear message to the marketplace, regardless of the media used. We offer a wide range of creative services in branding and visual identities, website design, catalog, and print collateral. And we do this for you when you need the help, saving you the expense of an in-house creative team. If your company is struggling to find its voice and you need to maximize your marketing budget, Two Shell Design can help you by providing professional, creative design without the constant expense of overhead and technology upgrades. While at our site, view our portfolio and see how companies like yours have benefited from our 20 years of experience. Call us today to discover how Two Shell Design can be your creative team in print and web. We'll help your business find its unique voice.